This is what this switch looks like from a side view, and that's what you put into the breadboard. Here's how it sits on the board. If I tilt it like that, you can see the two legs that are coming out. Let me just put a little closer. There's one right there, and then the other one is over here. That's how the contact is made when you push the button down. This is a switch with 4 legs. You just got to make sure you know which ones are open. It's called open when the switch is not pressed down, and which ones go closed when you press the switch down. I'm just holding it with a pair of long nose pliers just to give you an idea what it looks like. Here it is connected in the breadboard. I lifted it a little bit so you can see how it fits. It can be a little tricky, and I just want you to see that you want to make sure that it's open and closed this way. Let me just point to it a little bit. You want to make sure that this one is open and that one closes. That's how it works. If you look at it this way, this is shorted to this. These are always shorted. And if I turn it around, this is always shorted. So if you use it that way, it's not going to work. So you got to make sure, if I can look at it this way, the flat parts are like this in the board. I'll show you a little bit. Here's an example of how you would connect it. Notice how they are, the flat parts. There's the flat part like that, and then if I look at it on the side view here, you see that the flat parts are like that. So try it a little bit. We're going to try it with an LED. Just remember that this row here, it's connected, and this is not connected to this row. It's all connected to these dots here. So when you put the switch a leg here, and say you put a leg over here, when you push the button down, whatever wires you've got connected here will be connected to whatever wires is connected over here. Here I have it connected to an LED, and let me just push the button down so you can see the LED lights up, and that's how you do it with a switch. This is the 2-legged switch, and it's almost in the board. I'm going to push it in, and you can see that it's going to work. There it is, and I'm just going to push it down, and you could see that the light goes on.